Hello guys, my name is Hana Mardiana. You can call me Hana, from grade 12, majoring computer and network engineering. Now it's time for me to tell you about how to do network installation. Stay tuned and keep for watching.
To do network installation, we need some materials. What are they? We need router, switch hub, access point, server laptop, client laptop, UTP cable, topology, and Winbox software. Stay tuned and let's get started.
First of all, make the topology what you want or you need. For example, here we make the topology like this.
Second, from this 4 cable, the first cable plug from internet to the router. The second cable plug from router to server laptop. The third cable plug from router to switch. And the last cable plug from switch to access point. Complete.
We next to configuration. Set the router by inputting the configuration using Winbox software in server laptop. Click Winbox. Connect. Wait. Click interface. Rename header 1 to internet. Apply. Okay. And rename header 2 to switch. Apply. Okay. Click IP address. Add IP address for switch. Interface for switch. Apply and OK. Click IP. Change firewall. Click NAT. Add out interface for internet. Action. Masquerade. Apply and OK. Click DHCP server. DHCP setup. Next. Setup has complete success. And then complete. Next, we don't set switch because we use switch hub. add liaison between router and access point. So we set the access point now. We open web browser and here use Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome. Input IP address from access point. Enter. Input admin. And for password, admin. Okay. Click interface setup. Click wireless. And scroll down. Stop. We change SSID and password. We change to be and for password save. Wait. Success for change SSID and password. Finally, try client method to connect to access point that we already set. This is my SSID. Connect. Input the password. This is my password. Next. Yes. Connect. If the client laptop can connect and access the internet, it's already connected.
Okay, that is all procedure for network installation. Hopefully, it will be useful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you.